Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Radhika TechHub. In this tutorial, we are going to design the login page. Let's see. I'm already created the project and I'm going to creating the component. And before that, I want to create the folder. In this tutorial, I am designing a login page with using of Tailwind CSS. If you don't know how to config in the Tailwind CSS in our React project, uh, before going to design this login page, you have to watch the tailwind of configuration in the React project, and you will. So I want to decorate with this whole background with the gradient. So when we want to take the style, we have to take the two curly braces. So I am taking the linear with of right direction. So I am taking an yellow. If you want to wish of any color, you can with two colors. So it flows the coloring of right to left. So I want to this in the middle. So before going to we will do this. So we want to call this login page in the app.js. So how to import it. I don't want this app. So we'll see the output. So here you can see the color of flow with the yellow with the blue from right to left direction. You can take from bottom to top also, from top to bottom also, whatever you wish. So I am taking right to blue. So I will show from bottom to top also. So we can see that from the bottom itself, from the bottom to top. So from the left of we have taken the blue color. So blue color with yellow combination. But right now I am taking the right. So I want this in the center. So I already told that I am using the Tailwind CSS. So I want the screen to be with the gradient and to be the content which I want to be in the center of H screen. H screen means the window size. I want it to be center. So I am taking the flex H screen justify center. So the output should be like this with the center and the whole coloring with the gradient. So I want to take the username and password. So I want to take another div. For this div, I am taking the background. For this div, I am taking the content which I want to input fields. So with the class name, I want it to be one by one. So flex call. For the flex relative. For the flex column, one by one. And for each one, I want to be gap of 4. So afterwards, we will take the border itself. First, we will design. So for this, I am taking the div because I want to place an icon also. So it should be in the flex. I want to be it. And items should be center. So first of all, I am taking input field. Type to be text. So with that placeholder, username. So first we will see. Here you can see here the username we are visibling. So I want it to be come down. So items center. And here I want it to be. So here we have to take that. I no need for the outline. So outline should be none. So you can see no outline. If we click here also, the outline will not be visible. So I want to show that also. So you can see the blue line, border of blue line. So if we keep the outline none, will not visible that. So after that, so I am taking the icon. I told that with an H with an user. So for that icons, we will take the user. So I'm taking here this one. Just click on that, it will be copied. And you have to import. Before that, you have to install the React icons. So npm I React icons. So meanwhile that it will be installed, we will import that. So in the flower braces from React icons. So if we do like this, we will get the error. So we have to the reference also with an hi. The starting with hi, the reference will be the hi itself. So we will not get any error that now. So I copied h outline user. So I am taking that I want the input field before the input field I want to place the icon. So I want to take here. So I am the size will be small. So I want to increase that size. before increasing size we will see. So it should be installed now, we will not get any errors. So you can see that the small icon, so it should be invisible for us, so we will increase that size. So w width and height I want to take as 6 itself. So you can see now, and I want to place an border line before the placeholder, so nothing but a input field. So I want to take border, so I want to take it as a not whole border, so only for the right side. So r have to take 2, and the border should be I want in the just black. So now you can see that line. We will see once. Okay, for the input I want to take the background. So I'm taking zinc, you can find that in the tailwind of background colors. So now it is like this, and I want without any difference I want to apply here also. So you can see now there is no difference for us. And I want to apply the background color for whole one. So I want to take here with an border of 2, and that border should be I want in the like of gray color, so I am applying that only, and with the space of 4, you know all that p versus padding. So you can see that border, and I want to that to be in the white color of background. So of our zinc or nothing but a gray color will be visible in the good manner. So you can see now it is very nice, and I want it to be a of some space. So in the input field we can apply here of p1, and here also. Now it will be exactly same spacing of, you can see like this. For the password also we can do the same. I want it to be width of something more, so I'm taking width of 80. So you can see width size somewhat compared to previous size. So I'm copying from here. We'll take the same, not here, from here, and it should be password, and we can change here also. And icon should be different, right? So go for the icon of password. So I am taking this one. Before that want to import that. So it is changed, and I want to place the icon of here in the middle of or this inputs. I want to place an icon of user. So I want to take here. I want to take the group user. So before input fields I told means here itself. I'm taking another div. Before taking that we have to import. It is also hi. So I want to this the width of. So before that we will see. So it is a very small and it is not placed in the center itself also. So we will be place it in the center and apply the width. So first it place in the center. So with the class name justify center. We will apply the color afterwards, and we want to increase the size also. So I'm taking the 40 and height of 20. We will see how it will be. So you can see that in the center, and it will be placed like this with a big size. If you want to decrease you can, and if you want to be the change color of also you can. I'm taking the zinc color same like this. You can see. So now we will create the button. We'll close this. We'll not get any. So before that we will take the button, and I want to apply for this also gradient. So I'm taking a style. So I'm taking for this also a linear gradient. Sorry. And little bit large. So you can see the login, and I want to for this of rounded. So you can easily apply that, nothing but a border radius. So you can see now. And I want to curve here also for the border radius for the right side of user and lock. So you can see now for the left side I did for this rounded, and for lock also the direction which you require you can see here. And I want for this also not full, medium. I want to rounded border radius. So I want to apply here medium MD. You can see now. So this is the login page designing, how you have to use the Tailwind CSS for the login design page. And for this I want to explain the validation in the next video of part 2. For this is the part 1 for designing login page, and the part 2 I will explain the validation. If I click here, it has to be shown that when we are clicking here and we are not entering into username, we are getting into the password, and we want to display there it is username is required. And when we move from here to here, if without entering any content in that password, it has to be show password should be required. If you want without entering anything, we can click on the login page, means we have to show the username is required, the password is required. So that validation without hitting into the API, before that only, without calling that API, we want to validate by using the front end. I will explain in the next video.